If you want to excel in maths and science, then do click on the link given in our description box and visit on the website of Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya, and do enroll on our Don't Memorize course, which you can avail up to 90% discount. Here you can enhance your maths and science skills with the help of our conceptual videos, flashcards for quick revision, mock test as per latest pattern of your exams, with 24/7 doubt clearance sessions with the facility of masterclass. To get extra 10% discount in addition, you can use our coupon code, that is NT10. So for more details, check out the link given in our description box. Hello everyone, so in this video we will be learning about Aufbau Principle, and there are various subtopics that we need to cover before learning about this principle. So let's move ahead with the topic. So what do we understand by this Aufbau's principle? So Aufbau is normally a German word which means construction, and it is about only the filling of electrons. And the definition of this principle is electrons are filled into atomic orbitals in the increasing order of orbital energy level, and it also tells us about the energy of orbitals, or you can say the subshells, because as the number of shells increasing, the number of subshells will also increase, and the number of orbitals within the subshells will also keeps on increasing. So the energy increases as the number of shells, subshells or orbitals increases. The first thing we have to cover here is electron first occupy lower energy of orbitals. Okay, so whenever we have to find the values, then the lower energy subshell will come first, then the higher energy of subshell will be taken. Second point is energy will increase as n plus L value increases. So whenever n plus L value will increase, then the energy of subshell, or you can say orbitals, will also increase. So n plus L value will be same for two or more orbitals. The new electrons enters in the orbital with lower n value, and this is the third condition. So when the value of n plus L becomes same for two or more orbitals, then the new electron enters in the orbital with lower n value. So in short, we can understand here, whenever the value of n plus L would be the same, then we will take the subshell which have the lower n value first. So let us now understand it by putting the following values in increasing order. So the values will be 1s, then 2s, then 2p, then 3s, 3p, then 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d and 4f. Let's take all these values, and now we have to put all these values in increasing order, by which we can easily know that what do we mainly understand by this Aufbau's principle. So we have seen just here that there are two conditions we will be facing here, that whenever out of two values we will be getting a smaller and greater value, then first we will take the lower energy value and then the second one, and whenever the value will be same, then we will see the subshell which have the lower n value. So let us find its value according to n plus L. So friends, let's find out the values of n plus L with the help of these L values. So n will be this number. So n will be our number of shell, that is 1, and s value is 0 here. So the value of 1s will be 1. Then the value of 2s will be 2 plus s means 0. So we get 2. Then in 2p, the value of n will be 2 and p is equal to 1. So its value will be 3. And in 3s, the n value will be 3 and s value, as we know that it is 0. So answer will be 3. In 3p, value of n will be 3 and p is r1. So we get 4 answer here. In 3d, the value of n is 3 and d's value is 2. So 2 will be added here and we will get 5 as our answer. In 4s, 4 is n and s value is 0. So the answer here will be 4. And in 4p, 4 plus p, the value of p is 1. So the answer will be 5. And in 4d, 4 is n value and d's value is 2. So the answer will be 6. And in 4f, 4 plus f value is 3. So its answer will be 7. So at the start, if we compare this 1s and 2s, so their values are different. So in the case of when we are getting two different values, then the lower value will be taken first. So 1s will be taken first, then we will get 2s. Then after that, the values of 2p and 3s are same. So in this case, when the values are same, then we will see whose n value is lower. So 2p is lower, so 2p will be taken first, then we will take 3s. Then when we compare 3p and 3d, so the lesser one is 3p, so 3p will be taken first. As the answer of 3p and 4s are same, so whose n value is lower? 3p. So 3p will be taken first, then after it we will take 4s. Then 3d and 4p values are same, so here also 3d's n value is lower, so we will take 3d. Then after it we will take 4p, and at the last 4d and 4f are only left, so it is very simple as the values are different, so 4d will be taken first, and then after we will have 4f. Now this is the increasing order according to n plus l values. There are two simple things you have to follow. First, whenever the value is among smaller and greater, then all you have to do is take the smaller energy subshell first, then after it the greater value, and whenever we will have the same value of subshells, then we will take lower n value of that subshell. So let's move ahead with the topic. Now let's understand this with the help of this diagram. So if we take two values here like 2s and 2p, okay, let's compare it. Then how we have to find it? L, the value of L, 0, 1, 2, 3, and S, P, D, F. Okay, so the value of 2s we will be getting here is 2 and S value is 0. Okay, so we will get here 2, and the value of 2p will be 2 plus p. P is 1, that is 3. Okay, so which will have a lower energy? This 2s will have a lower energy. That's why you can see here the filling of electrons will pass from 2s first, then it will pass from 2p, as we can see here. Okay, so whichever value we take first, and we always take the lower energy. Okay, so the filling of electrons will be done to the lower energy of subshells first, then the higher energy. Okay, now let's take one more example. Let's see about 3p and 4s. Okay, these two, 3p and 4s. So by applying this formula n plus l, 3 plus p means 1, that gives us 4. Then 4s, 4 plus s gives 0, it will 4. Now in this case you can see here the values are same. So when the values will be same, then we will see the n value of this subshell. So whichever n value will be lower, it will be filled first. So 3p, you can see here, out of this 4s and 3p, which is getting filling first? So you can see here 3p is filling first, then 4s. So I hope friends all the concept of this Aufbau principle is clear to you. So see you all in our next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.